Well, I was just looking through the analytics of this channel. Apparently I'm 2 videos short of meeting the 3 videos in 90 days, so I thought I may as well do a quick little video comparison here. There's Big Eyes the cat. Oh, yes you are. On this windy afternoon. And I want to do a little experiment since we're here. I'll put this video up in its normal wide format, which I prefer, and then soon after I will also upload a short, which I'm not a fan of, but sometimes they're okay. So stay tuned for 2 videos in one day. Quite windy here today in Brisbane, Australia. You can normally see the city there, especially if I try and manually focus on this very cantankerous Panasonic, which doesn't use normal focus. It uses some stupid sensor focus thing, which is the downfall of this camera. Anyway, since this is just a test, it doesn't matter. I am working on a more comprehensive video. Apparently not allowed to promote other channels, so I'll just say check the links for my other channels. Some of you probably know what I mean. And if I can switch this over to face, I will sign off now on this little test video. Always lately I seem to be needing a shave. Anyway, let's upload this one and we'll put up a YouTube short soon. The pool's got some more leaves in it today because of all the wind, but it's absolutely crystal clear, which you may have seen on another channel with the same name as mine. Nudge nudge wink wink. Okay, well, leave a comment either in this one or the short video coming, which you prefer. Horizontal like this or something like that. Okay, back to serious videos soon, but let's just do this little test today. No magpies here at the moment. Okay, cheers.